Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by locking down assets and objectives so you can act fast. First, ask the client for precise goals, a target ROAS, and the monthly budget. This steers bidding and creatives. Once done, secure business manager access or get the correct ID and admin permissions, because without access, you stop before you begin. Make sure billing is set and legal approvals are documented. That prevents delays when campaigns ramp. These steps let you launch the first test within days. You now map a testable structure to gather learning quickly. Start with a clear objective, conversions for direct sales or leads for nurture, and split audiences into focus segments. Then create 3 ad sets per segment and 3 creative variations each to avoid underlearning. This balances exploration and spend. Once set, install the pixel and events accurately, and add UTM parameters so analytics match ad reports. Make sure to schedule a 7-14-day learning window before major optimizations to preserve statistical significance. You finish by converting data into action and clear client communication. After the learning phase, review CPA, CTR, and frequency. Pause poor performers and scale winners incrementally, typically 10 to 30% to avoid shock. Once scaled, rotate creatives weekly and refine audiences using the highest converting signals. For reporting, send concise outcomes and next steps so the client knows why you changed things. If delivery stalls, check budgets, spend limits, pixel health, and policy flags first. Fixing those often restores performance fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.